For this video, I'm going to take you for a quick tour of downtown Wheaton, Minnesota. I recently went on vacation in Minnesota, and one of the cities I decided to visit was Wheaton. There's a wonderful museum here called the Traverse County Historical Society Museum, and it's located in the old train depot that was built back in 1906. The city itself is named after Daniel Thompson Wheaton, who was a railroad surveyor that worked throughout Minnesota. There's so many great little things to do here in town. I had an amazing time going to see multiple movies at the retro theater known as the Gopher. It was also a heck of a lot of fun going thrifting at the Broadway Thrift and Things. And my timing was impeccable because they had a carnival going on at the time at the Traverse County Fairgrounds, which is actually nearby. And there were a lot of cool, quirky little boutique stores here. Obviously, Fuzzy Cheeks Boutique wasn't specifically catering to my demographic, but I still walked around and took a look at the store. There was a brand new gaming store that had just opened when I was there. It was kind of like a mix between video games and role-playing games, but a lot of great inventory, and I ended up buying a couple classic cartridges while I was there. The Wheaton Drug Gift store was not exactly what I expected, because it was kind of like a cross between a Hallmark store and a pharmacy, which is kind of an unusual combination, but these small towns, they get creative. I was able to buy a couple cool collectibles and tchotchkes to send to my friends about my little Minnesota road trip. And this town also has like a super value grocery store as well as a Dollar General for like your everyday needs. I had an absolutely amazing breakfast eating at the Country Corner Cafe, and I highly recommend it. My mind was completely blown by the prime rib sandwich I had at the Rusty Anchor Tavern. The food there is so good. I actually went back for like 3 meals in just a weekend. Just everything on the menu is dynamite. The town also has, I think, a McDonald's too over by the Dollar General. When I come and visit small towns like this, I definitely focus on the family-run businesses because they're so much more unique than what you get at the franchise places. Well, that pretty much sums up all my experiences that I had in Wheaton, Minnesota. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.